Hello viewers, we use Excel with AI for our ease and swift results. And constantly we do switching in different apps which is time consuming. So today let's add AI extension in MS Excel to use the same swiftly and to avoid switching between different apps. On screen please. Now first let's get add an extension in Excel, so you can click home and it's in front of you. Add in, or the other way, click file and you can find it at lower third fourth option. Click it. Moreover, some other Excel version does have the same in insert menu. So click in search and type AI added formula editor. Now click on AI added formula editor or click add extension, then I agree and continue. Now it will be added like you can see on the right side. Click on AI generator, and in case if it doesn't add it in your Excel, then repeat the process. Now just write if C3 to C8 value is greater than 40 or pass, and if value is less than 40 or fail. But when you click, it will ask for sign in. So first of all, better you sign in, click accept and sign in. So this function will automatically start working. Now once again, and type under description of your formula if value in C3 to C8 are greater than 40 or pass, if lesser than or fail. Now submit button is active. You may submit it and copy the formula. Click in the result cell and paste it above in search bar. Please note that John is on row 3 and John is on row 8. That's why I call 3 and 8 with different columns. Now click enter and result is okay. So drag down and you can see that one is fail, rest are pass. You can also use Urdu or other language in description of your formula. Now again describe under your formula, count the value of pass from D3 to D8. D column contains results, pass, fail. And once again click submit. Now copy the formula and go to the cell, click inside and go to address bar and paste it above, click enter. And now it will count pass. So 5 members are pass. Now just change the pass into fail and don't change anything. Click submit. Once again, generated formula, copy this and go to the column fail and click inside. Now paste the formula above, click enter, and 1 is the answer. Now let me count the total students. So write count total number of students from B3 to B8. Click submit and the formula has been generated. Copy the same and let's come down to click under name and paste the formula above, click enter, and there are 6 students. So through this way you can use AI to work swiftly on Excel. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.